Have you ever wondered what it is you need to do to get people clicking onto your videos? Or have you ever wondered what gets viewers on a YouTube platform clicking onto a video, That is what I want to talk to you guys in this video. What makes people click onto your video? The idea is making people understand what they are clicking. People just don't randomly click on videos on YouTube. So when they look at your video, if they understand what the video is about, this is weird. People need to understand what the video is about before they actually get to. If the viewer has to decode what your title means or what your thumbnail is trying to say, they lose interest. They will not click onto your video. But if right at the beginning, just upon laying their eyes onto your thumbnail, they're able to tell what your video is all about or what your title is all about, because your title and your thumbnail are both in sync, they are sort of giving a mini explanation of what this video is about, and they are interested in a topic, they can easily click onto the video, basically. So what this means is be very clear and intentional in your titles and your thumbnail as well, without giving too much away. You want to be intentional in your thumbnails and the title of your video. This will get people clicking onto your video in the first place. So because how you trigger curiosity in your viewer's mind is by creating a question that your viewer's brain wants answers to, So if your thumbnail or your title is triggering curiosity, meaning the viewer looks at the title and the thumbnail of your video, they have a question in their mind. In order for them to find an answer to that question, they have no choice but to click onto the video. Then you have won. That's actually the idea. You want to trigger curiosity in your viewer's mind. You want to entice them, basically, by how your titles look and feel, and what your thumbnails are basically saying. So lastly, you want to design the thumbnail with a whole lot of emotion. When you have an emotional face onto your thumbnail with 2 to 3 words, statements that get people emotional and wanting to know more, it helps your videos to be clicked, because most of the videos that are performing well on a YouTube platform are emotional driven, and it's the fact that most of our decisions are emotionally driven. So when you are creating your thumbnails, you want to appeal to the emotions of your viewer, basically. This is how you get people clicking onto your videos. So play with those emotions, understand what emotions you need to play with in order to appeal to your core audience. Have these people click onto your video and watch them. That's it. It's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video in regards to how you get people clicking onto your video. If you learned something, if you found value, please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Love you guys, and I see you in my next video.